Alright guys, today we're going to show you how to use an air compressor. This is a DeWalt, not sure what make and model, but all DeWalts are the same. I think all air compressors are the same, no matter what brand. Alright, let's start this. Alright, first thing you need to do is plug it in, obviously. Alright. Second thing you need to do, make sure you have a hose. Alright. Now, depending on what you're using it for, I'm using this to tear up tires and stuff like that. But you can use it to plug in like air tools and stuff. Alright. The other end has to be a female adapter. Alright. Then this end has to be a male adapter. Alright. What you need to do is this end, you pull this back right here. You pull it back, stick it in, and let it back out. That's all you gotta do there. Alright. And then right here on this side, it could be anywhere, but it should look something like this. This has to be screwed all the way out. It's it's the opposite of righty loosey lefty. It's righty loosey lefty tighty. You gotta screw it all the way out. All right, if that's screwed all the way in, it'll let out all the air and it won't have no compression. All right, now you're ready to start it and use it. On my air compressor, it has the on and off switch right here. You just turn that on, and that happens. Alright, whenever you're using these air compressors, whenever it's turned on, there's air that forms in the tank down here. And whenever there's water in a closed space for too long, condensation happens. And if water's in the bottom for too long, it rusts and it'll rot the tank. Alright, so that's why it has this piece down here to drain it. Alright, that's what lets all the air, so no water builds up and rusts your tank. Alright, so that's all the way out. We can start it and use it. Alright. Deflate this tire and demonstrate how it is up. Alright, as you can see, this is flat. Definitely flat. Alright. Aired up. Alright. Now that you've used it, you have to drain the air, like I said, or condensation will build up. So you just have to you're unscrewing it, but it's screwing in. It's just the way that it turns. Also, these gauges right here, if they're too filled up and there's too much pressure, that's what this thing's for. You just pull that out and it'll let air out. You see how the gauges are going down? It's the same thing as doing this, except for this is a lot faster to do down here. Alright, well that's draining. What you want to do if you're using it for like a power tool or something, mine is in a compartment. This is where I keep my stuff. Alright, this end right here, it screws in, but whenever you unscrew it and you're going to screw something else back in, you have to have this tape. It's pipe tape. You just wrap it around the threads really tight, and then you can screw it back on, whatever piece you're gonna hook back on. If you don't do that, it won't hold all the air that you need, and there won't be as good as compression. Alright, that's all for today. If you have any questions, just comment underneath, and I'll do the best I can to fill in and make new videos on your comments. Alright, see you.